back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today, I know it's a different setting. I'm trying out different locations, areas in the home to see which one works best in my fashion videos. But I'm not sure which one I'm going to stick to, whether this one or the previous one. But see, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ways to tuck in your long t-shirts like this one. Because it's really pretty. It can be tricky, especially when your jeans is light material or pants which are also light material. I'm going to be sharing with you the different ways that have worked for me. Having different types of t-shirt that you love, but you since they are long, you wonder how to tuck them in. So this is the video for you, and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, and yeah, let's get the video. To see me looking at there, I'm looking at myself through the mirror. First way that I usually tuck in is just the basic. Just make sure the t-shirt is low, it's straight, and then tuck it. Just get it into the trouser. Tuck it in. Tuck it in completely all the way down until you feel the ends of the t-shirt all the way until it's flat. Go all the way down. Make sure that every single area is straight, completely straight all the way under your bum. If it gets that far, mine does. Do this all the way, and voila! It looks cute, it looks decent, it looks well tucked in. You can't even tell whether it's long or short. You can't tell whether how it ends. The other way is fold this, fold the ends of your t-shirt and make a big fold all the way around. Make sure you look at yourself in the mirror when you're doing this so you don't make a mistake. Folding it all the way to this way, like this, and then you now tuck it in. In there, even though it unravels just like it's trying to do right now, just have it, fold it again. Voila! Well tucked in t-shirt. And yeah, last tip is you bring a bit of t-shirt here, just twist it, not so much, and then on the side let it tuck it in. Chaingia hapo. You're remaining with all this, so you just tuck in the rest that's remaining outside. So you see it has made the t-shirt smaller by doing that, by just twisting it to this side, and then you tuck it in. What we can do, I usually opt to do this just in case I didn't tuck in properly. I remove just a bit of t-shirt, just a bit of it. I just loosen it kiasi tu ikae like it's hanging on the side, like loose. Yeah, just under the belt buckle or even higher depending on how you want. Yeah, those are the 3 easiest ways that I have been doing it. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you'd like to see more of those fashion hacks, please do tell me in the comment below. I will share. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Keep staying safe, and bye bye.